most people have heard the saying that you write a resume for a job and you write a cover letter for your job. You don't take the one you have, you edit it. At the heart of a deck is, for a founder or even a sales pitch, is that you need to order the words to fit that prospect. Now, what we do in the program, in all of our programs, is we help get a comprehensive model of the information so that you have what you need, and then you select those things to where you strategically would put them in the funnel, and how you would illuminate those, and in what order. Our startup program, we give them a template basically at the end to put their decks into. And even though we don't like formulas or methods, we feel those are traps, these are starting points for us. And first and foremost, you must identify a problem, get the audience first seeing something that they've never seen before, and nodding their head in agreement for what's missing before you share what it is you're going to do. And then you build off of that. So that's how we build our program, basically, is all around that. Ordering the words to fit in a way that psychologically they're more likely to receive them and step off of to the next point.